Welcome to Kevin's Wild, Wacky, Weird World. This adventure is part 2 of the second trip to Stayton. This time we got some moon shots, we got some pictures of a covered bridge, and hopefully you enjoy. Speaking of moon shots, the moon was gorgeous that night. I was worried about getting to the camping spot in time for darkness, and I needn't have worried. That moon was bright as day. It was gorgeous, just positively gorgeous, and I was able to capture just a tiny bit of the beauty in these pictures. Just the tiniest bit. Mind you, I didn't use any real filters, just the various different modes on the camera itself. I took these pictures just experimenting with different modes, and some of them turned out better than others. It was just a quiet night and able to take some great pictures of that moon. Again, I can't tell you how bright it was. And yes, I was so happy when I got a moonscape where I could see the features of the moon. I've been trying for that picture for a while. I won't admit how long. I don't have the best of gear, so it was just a happenstance where I found that particular mode to get that picture. Yikes. It got cold last night. Yep, those are ice crystals and frost on the inside of the tent. Outside, it's ice cold. My water bottle froze. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna get there. Is this noise? No, that's just. My bike is ice crystals on the tires. Yikes. Definitely a cold night. This is the same picture as the last one. I just edited it a little bit and brightened it up. Wow. Fog's rolling out. Ice cold morning here.
That's the Santiam River. Wow. Just, oh, what a morning. Sorry about the helmet header, guys. Ice cold here, and beautiful. It's a gorgeous day so far. Hopefully this is actually recording in 1080p. Says it is. And around a little. Fog's rolling out. Red sky clearing. I very much like the flexibility of the various different settings in this camera. It shows what a picture can do if you get the right setting compared to automatic. Not that automatic's bad, but some of these settings truly make these pictures pop. Wow. Just look at that. Just wow. This is the infamous Stayton covered bridge. It was originally moved here, then it burned down, and relatively recently, in the 90s, they built a new one to replace the one that burnt down. This bridge has a sordid history. Yes, I passed by memory lane, and yes, snow is what frost turns into on your tent when you unpack it when you get home. Had to dry that bad boy out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.